Have you ever wondered what does consuming bottle gourd does to your body? One bottle gourd approximates to 12 calories. No doubt it is a preferred choice for people looking to lose weight. At the same time, its ability to decrease blood sugar level makes it a number one choice for the diabetics. But there are some magical wonders of this vegetable that no one talks about. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about some of the uncommon health benefits of consuming bottle gourd, suggesting remedies to elevate several of your problems that not everyone highlights. But before we move on to the health benefits of bottle gourd, let's quickly take a look at its nutritional composition. Bottle gourd contains 20 mg of calcium, 10 mg of phosphorus, zero point 0.7 mg of iron with some amount of vitamin B complex, and the remaining 96.1% is simply moisture. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Bottle gourd has a cooling effect on your body, a bit like a soothing breeze on a scorching day. But here's a tip: never consume it raw, as it might not sit well with your stomach. So let's dive right into the ways bottle gourd can work wonder for your health. One glass of bottle gourd juice mixed with 5 ml of lime juice taken once a day removes the burning sensation in urine. Bottle gourd juice helps quench thirst, moistens dry mouth, prevents fatigue, and at the same time curbs dehydration, especially in the case of loose motions. It is one of the best food choices for diabetics, as it also makes up for the deficiency of water in the case of excessive urinary issues faced by people with diabetes. In the state of weakness, when heat and vitality of the body is quite low, rub the slices of bottle gourd on both the hands and the sole of feet to restore body heat and strength. In the case of high fever, the slices of bottle gourd can be rubbed on the forehead, scalp, and temples to bring fever down. Individuals having trouble falling asleep or those facing insomnia can mix sesame oil with bottle gourd juice and apply it on the hands, the temples, and sole of feet. Vegetables hold the power to transform our health, and bottle gourd is no exception. Join us on this journey to uncover the hidden side of health that often goes unnoticed. Don't forget to like and share this video and tell us about how bottle gourd has improved your life. Subscribe to our channel and take a step towards a healthy